Have you ever opened Task Manager and noticed that Steam is using hundreds of megabytes or even several gigabytes of RAM? Maybe your computer feels slower than usual, games take longer to load, or other applications start stuttering because Steam is consuming too much memory in the background. While Steam normally uses some RAM for its interface, game library, store pages, and background services, excessive memory usage can indicate unnecessary processes, cached data, or settings that need adjustment. The good news is that there are several simple ways to reduce Steam's RAM usage and improve overall system performance. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to identify the cause and lower Steam's memory consumption. The first thing to understand is that modern versions of Steam use a web-based interface. Many parts of the client, including the store, community, friends list, and library, run using embedded browser technology. As a result, Steam often creates multiple processes that each consume memory. This is normal to some extent, but excessive memory usage usually means something is preventing those processes from operating efficiently. Start by completely restarting Steam. Close the client from the system tray, then open Task Manager and end any remaining Steam processes. Once everything is closed, launch Steam again and check the memory usage. Sometimes browser-related processes become stuck and continue using RAM unnecessarily until the client is restarted. Next, clear Steam's web browser cache. Open Steam settings and find the option to delete web browser cache and cookies. Over time, cached files can grow significantly and contribute to higher memory usage. After clearing the cache, restart Steam and see if the RAM usage decreases. Another effective fix is reducing library animations and visual effects. Open Steam settings and look for library or interface options. Enable low performance mode if available. Steam's modern interface includes animated content, game artwork, videos, and dynamic elements that require additional memory. Disabling unnecessary visual effects can noticeably reduce RAM consumption, especially on older systems. The friends list and chat system can also use more memory than expected. Open your friends list settings and disable features you do not use, such as animated avatars and rich media elements. If you rarely use Steam Chat, keeping it closed can help reduce resource usage. You should also check how many store and community tabs are open inside Steam. Just like a web browser, multiple pages can increase memory consumption. Close unnecessary tabs and restart the client if memory usage remains high. Another common cause is background downloads and updates. Steam may be allocating memory while downloading, unpacking, verifying, or updating games. Open the Downloads page and confirm whether any tasks are still running. Once these operations finish, RAM usage often drops significantly. Third-party overlays can contribute to excessive memory usage as well. Applications such as Discord, game recording software, RGB utilities, hardware monitoring tools, and performance overlays may interact with Steam and increase overall resource consumption. Temporarily disable them and compare the results. If you have a very large game library, Steam may use additional memory to load artwork and metadata. While this is generally normal, enabling low bandwidth mode or low performance mode can help reduce the impact. Keeping Steam updated is also important. Client updates frequently include memory management improvements and bug fixes. Running an outdated version can sometimes lead to memory leaks or inefficient resource usage. If memory usage continues increasing over time without dropping, Steam may be experiencing a memory leak. In that case, clearing the download cache, restarting the client regularly, or reinstalling Steam can often resolve the problem. Before reinstalling, make sure your game library is properly backed up if necessary. So, to summarize, restart Steam, clear browser cache and cookies, reduce library visual effects, close unnecessary tabs, monitor downloads, disable unneeded overlays, update the client, and use low performance mode when available. These steps will solve most cases of excessive Steam RAM usage and help your system run more smoothly. I hope this tutorial helped you reduce Steam's memory usage and improve your PC's performance. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more PC troubleshooting tips, gaming guides, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.